But look at me, I'm a hunchback, so I don't get wet.
It's weird, it's recording sideways.
What sideways?
Usually the time's up top. It's on the side.
Oh.
This fucker is getting wet though. I'm trying to record all the fog.
Stick your hand on top of it.
Oh yeah, look, it's making it fucking zoom in and out and shit. I might need a new phone after tonight.
Oh no.
It's alright. I got money coming. I got it. You don't get this type of footage too often, you know?
Yeah.
Look at that fog down there. You can't even see the creek. That's kind of creepy. 83? Well, holy shit. Been back here a long time. Alright, well, before my phone gets too wet, stay stoned, fuckers. The foggy, wet-ass day in Pennypack, but we're still here. Stay stoned.
I was gonna be like, you got a Stone Hiker's personal
It won't
roller.
turn off.
Stone Hiker's personal roller.
It won't stop. Oh my goodness. This fucker's still recording. Stop.